All right, cool. So Monarch, man, this is the new gig right now. Let me know about it. What's going on? What you got for me?
Cool, man. So we are all in one consumer, merchant, and investment platform.
Yeah.
So pay with Visa, pay with PayPal, pay with Monarch.
Yeah.
Very, very easy to use. Specifically on the consumer side, we already have a wallet that's live and launched. It's kind of like Mew, but we'll be able to support NEP5 tokens, which is NEO, all the EOS tokens that will be coming out eventually once that blockchain is all fixed up and patched, Cardano and NEM. On the merchant side, we have easy merchant integration. So small businesses, exactly around 95% of small businesses use WordPress.
Yeah.
And there's no easy plug-and-play system. There's no checkout experience whatsoever.
Right.
I run my own business, and I've been waiting 9 months for a big Coinbase Commerce license and 8 months for a BitPay license,
wow.
A merchant license. And I still haven't received those, so I was like, okay, it's time to start something.
Right.
So 2 service providers, we kind of merged together. My co-founder, Robert Beatles, he owns his own software development company, and obviously I have the channel Cryptosomniac. We go way back. And we kind of merged the two, so we're pretty heavily integrated into the space.
That's awesome.
And on the investment side, we are, with institutional accounts, we're essentially linking up to all these third-party exchanges right under one platform, so you trade from one platform. Also, we are, a lot of people already do this, like Coinigy and I think it's cointracking.info. You pay $100 a month or a huge fee. Link up
Coinigy
the API.
used to be free.
Yeah, Coinigy used to be free, but to link the APIs, right? So now we're able to buy and sell on Binance, Bittrex, Coinbase. Anybody that offers a open source API key, a read-write file rather, you'd be able to trade right from our platform for absolutely free. So go ahead and download the wallet right now. It's Monarch Wallet. We just hit 15,000 downloads in 3 days, so we're real happy. Yeah, we're real happy. So, yeah.
Tell me a little bit about the gold or the silver conversion that you guys are doing.
Okay, so we are launching a dual token structure. So we got a security token and a utility token. The security token is really great because it enables us to profit share, and that's the whole reason behind the tokenization. So essentially, 50% of every dollar that we make goes into the dividend structure. So how that works is, say 100 Bitcoins collected through the week, we take the 100 Bitcoin and we divide it in 2, which is 50%, and then we buy back our utility token and distribute our utility token, therefore creating an economy in our utility token as well. On top of that, 10 cents of every dollar that we make, we go into buying additional silver, so silver backing. So we've partnered with the largest silver minting, auditing, and vaulting service in the United States, Scottsdale Silver, and we're able to essentially fulfill those transactions, and it's completely audited. That's backed on the security token. Nice. So that's essentially the use case behind the security token. On top of that, the utility token gives you 50% off exchange fees on your own internal exchange. We can't control what other exchanges do, and 1% or 50% back of your merchant transaction fees. So we charge a flat 2% merchant transaction fee. I think Visa charges 2.4, PayPal charges 2.9, and I think Amex charges 4, something ridiculous, right?
Can you speak a little bit to your target customer? Is it going to be first-time traders? Is it going to be whales? Is it going to be business owners? Like, who are you looking to really facilitate this?
Yeah, so we wanted to make a complete solution. So specifically, it's kind of weird because if I give you a $20 bill right now, you're not an investor.
I tear it up.
Right, exactly.
I don't value fiat.
But if I give you $20 in Bitcoin, it makes you an investor.
Right.
So you have to have that investment mindset when you, especially with cryptocurrencies, because and essentially pegging things like that. So if something costs, if a soda costs $1 or like or like 20 satoshis, it could be 30 satoshis the next day, depending on market volatility. So we wanted to create a checkout experience that helps small businesses accept cryptocurrencies, and specifically on the reoccurring basis. If I had to pay my Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, rent, utilities, 401k, payroll. If I had to do that every single time manually, I'd go crazy. And right now there's a huge underlying problem in cryptocurrencies where it's a push technology. It's an archaic push technology. Now Visa has mastered recurring payments, but what do? They take custody. What does Coinbase do? They take custody.
Right.
What does BitPay do? They take custody. All these things hinder us from the real aspect behind cryptocurrencies, which is decentralized. So we've patented this system called multi-signature wallet leasing, and it essentially decentralized reoccurring payments from the flick of a switch. So, for example, if you're Netflix and I'm, me, and Nicole could be Monarch platform, kind of reversing roles here, but she could do that, and so we both own half a private key. You own half the private key.
Yeah.
She owns the other half the private key. I lease her the half the private key,
Yeah.
and under 3 stipulations, under one single transaction. The recipient is Netflix. The amount is $9.99, and the duration is every 30 days. Right. So once all 3 of those stipulations hit, we're able to send on your behalf, and then boom.
Wow.
That's it.
That
As
could be
simple as that.
pretty big.
Yeah, exactly. And there's a lot of subscription models that can't. They can't use cryptocurrencies because everything's push.
Right, and that's the problem I'm having right now with just trying to facilitate value, having customers all over the world. And, they yell at me on my website because I only accept fiat.
Yeah.
I hate fiat. Yeah. But you can't do crypto on a recurring payment right now.
No,
So
yeah.
it's like I have these products and services I do every month, and now I'm kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place. Well, how can I bridge both worlds, and not give away 10-20% of my money every month?
Exactly. And some merchants, maybe not as open-minded as us. Like,
Yeah.
hey, we don't really like cryptocurrencies, but we still want to accept them
Right.
and transition it directly into fiat. So we're also working on getting our acquiring our broker-dealer license, or a broker-dealer rather, and making sure that we're completely compliant,
Yeah.
specifically in the United States, because we are a United States.
Right.
company.
That's what I was going to ask too.
Yeah.
Is really dealing with the regulation and trying to build
Yeah.
this thing out to
A
make
lot
it
of lawyers.
scalable. Yeah.
A lot of legal, a lot of legals.
Yeah.
But right now, there's honestly, off the top of my head, I'm signed up for 2 exchanges for fiat to crypto gateway, which is Coinbase and Gemini. They own a complete monopoly on this.
Yeah, they bottleneck that.
And specifically, since we are plugging into third-party exchanges using institutional accounts, there's a huge problem in, for example, Korea. Why is it $1,000 more expensive to buy Bitcoin in Korea than it is in the United States? If this is supposed to be a borderless solution,
Right.
why is there such a
Why
huge
does borders
discrepancy?
still exist?
Yeah, exactly. So we're trying to accomplish a lot of things, and we wanted to create a simple wallet for now. Our MVP, our phase 1, because there's companies left and right. I'm not going to name any companies, but they've raised tens of millions of dollars to do what we just did for free.
Yeah.
You could list any ERC20 token. It's essentially, I think it's better than Mew. It's up to the crowd to really decide, but it's
Right.
available for download if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, it's a very simple solution for merchants, consumers, and investors, because if you hold Bitcoin, you are an investor. Even though you don't really consider yourself an investor, even though it's not a security according to the SEC, it's still it's still an asset.
Still an asset, yeah. Cool, man. Well, it's been amazing to see you guys grow and develop. And, I remember when I was just having a look through at a website and all the different ideas you guys were talking about building into it. And even with the lounge, all the success you've had with that. I think it's pretty inspirational and really, really impressive to see you grow as a business, and now sitting down with the lawyers and playing, having your seat at the big boys table.
Yeah. It's weird, man. Especially like I remember being on YouTube trading these cryptocurrencies, and I'm reaching out to them and looking for partnerships, and a lot of them are saying yeah. So I'm like, oh wow, like I used to trade this coin.
Exactly.
Now they're my partner.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah.
Good deal. Well, congratulations. Good luck to you.
I appreciate it, okay?
And I appreciate the time.
Yeah. Thanks.